Goddamn, that bitch sitting on them goddamn sixes, goddamn. That bitch raw, boy. Brought my granddad out this bitch with me. Shit on 2013, goddamn. That thing, that's squatting on them foes. Look at this bitch right here, though. This motherfucker right here cleaning the bitch. Nigga the goddamn shit, boy. That bitch raw. Bro, this your car right here, bro? Who car is this? Just your car. Bro, turn the radio up, bro. You did? Damn. Real man. About to say, bro, turn that shit up, bro. I told my granddad he turned that shit up, his heart gonna jump out his chest. This motherfucker, bro. God damn. Woo.